Hard to believe, but Colgate आने से पहले brushing wasn't even a thing in India. Usually तब लोग नीम की दातून या राख या नमक का इस्तेमाल करते थे. Toothpaste wasn't part of their lives at all. और अब देखें तो in most of the households, टूथपेस्ट का मतलब ही कोलगेट है. When we go to a shopkeeper, हम ये नहीं बोलते भैया एक टूथपेस्ट देना, हम ये बोलते हैं भैया एक कोलगेट देना. And that's why I feel Colgate is one of the best examples to understand how to create a brand new category from scratch in India. How they made awareness about oral hygiene, about brushing twice a day to people of India. कैसे उसने लोगों को सिखाया दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करें. And how it simply made brushing twice a day a national habit, a national ritual. And today in this video, we'll exactly break down how Colgate created a brand new category from scratch and turned it into a billion-dollar empire. So let's get into it step by step. So what happened many years ago in India, तकरीबन 1950s की बात है, people didn't brush their teeth every day. Oral hygiene wasn't a daily habit. Many people didn't brush at all, or they just brushed once a while, maybe with neem sticks, charcoal or salt. And therefore people started having cavities, bad breath, yellow teeth, weak gums, and these problems became extremely common. And that's when Colgate realized that the deeper issue was that people weren't aware about oral health, oral care, oral hygiene, even though people were facing oral health problems. So Colgate, instead of saying buy my toothpaste, they started saying protect your mouth. And that's exactly when they started educating people about oral health. And here's exactly step number 1 comes, that is to find a sharp customer's pain point, which means you identify a specific recurring problem that genuinely frustrates your target audience. So Colgate didn't ask people to buy. Instead, they taught people why to brush, why brushing is necessary. Now Colgate knew that for mass adoption, product alone wouldn't change behavior. They need to change people's belief. They need to attack on people's belief. And that's exactly when they started teaching people about how and why to brush, how mouth faces germs all day long, why people need daily oral care morning and night. They repeated a simple and clear message: brush twice a day with Colgate. And here comes step number 2. Pick a unique angle or belief. Choose one powerful idea that your brand will stand for. Something that no one else is claiming for. So that people instantly know who you are, what do you stand for, and what do you actually sell. Every great brand owns one belief that no one else is claiming. For Colgate, we've seen brushing twice a day means protection. Similarly, there's for Nike also. It says everyone can be an athlete. For Apple, it means thinking different means power. For Starbucks, coffee means connection. Now, once people started to have some belief, they got educated by Colgate, that's when Colgate started naming and shaping its category. They didn't just talk about toothpaste. Instead, they created an entire new language around it. उन्होंने ऐसे words use करे जो इंडिया ने कभी use ही नहीं करे थे. For example, oral hygiene or cavity protection or germ fighting toothpaste or dentist recommended. And each of these phrases made Colgate more than just a product. It actually became a symbol of care and authority. और बहुत ही जल्द लोगों ने टूथपेस्ट बोलना तो बंद ही कर दिया. Instead, they started saying, "Give me a Colgate." Colgate became the oral care market itself. And here comes step number 3. Name the category. Create the language. And thus own the market. Which means you need to give space to your product in a way that you need to create a language around your product so that it appears that this space is owned only by your brand. Because whoever defines the language defines the market. Whoever creates the language creates the new market. Now that Colgate had created its own new language and started to own that market, the next challenge was proof. लोगों ने बिलीव तो कर लिया कोलगेट के आइडिया में, बट नाउ क्वेश्चंस गॉट रेज्ड इन देयर माइंड्स. क्या ये काम करेगा? विल माई कैविटीज एक्चुअली गेट फिक्स्ड? Will my mouth feel cleaner, fresher, and more healthier? So Colgate had to show the transformation. It had to show the contrast between the life before and the life after using Colgate. The before world looks like bad breath, tooth pain, embarrassment while talking, cavities and weak gums, expensive dental visits, brushing rarely with ineffective methods. while the afterworld shows fresh breath that lasts, cavity-free life, confident smiles, dentist trusted protection, a daily ritual that keeps your family safe. They didn't just talk about toothpaste, they talked about what people would actually feel after they use Colgate. They showed the transformation. And here comes step number 4. You need to build the proof. You need to show the proof. The before life versus after life. Because people at the end, they don't trust facts. They trust the transformation. And so Colgate showed the contrast between the two worlds. और एक बार जब लोगों को वो दिख गया that product actually works, then there was no going back. And now this was the time for Colgate to go deep into Bharat, to spread awareness about brushing twice a day so that it becomes a national habit. And so they reached out to schools, they reached out to rural communities, they reached out to areas where awareness was really low. They conducted dental camps in villages. They ran school brushing programs. They even partnered with dentists in their ads. Basically, they created a movement around oral health, where oral health became part of India's morning and night routine. And this didn't happen overnight. Colgate built this through years of education, through years of repetition, through years of trust building. And here comes step number 5, build movement, which means turn your customers into believers by making them feel that they are more than just customers. They are part of something bigger. They are part of a bigger mission. Great brands don't just sell products, they build culture. And so here's a big lesson. In order to build a D2C brand that lasts, don't just sell a product, build a habit, build a belief, and then build a movement around it. Just like Colgate turned brushing into a collective habit and not just an individual choice. And once a habit becomes a culture, it's no longer a marketing, it's a legacy. So Colgate identified a deep pain point, framed it with a powerful belief, gave it a language, proved real transformation, and turned that daily action into a national ritual. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, every story has lessons waiting to be discovered. See you in the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Bye-bye.